So I figured out what the problem was when we were in skip mode, and then we were also in auto mode, and then the skip mode stopped. The auto mode didn't, well, continue automatically going to the next node. That was because when we set our skip mode active to be false here, we never connected it to our branch in our auto mode active. So make sure you do that. And I was also freaking out that our skip mode active was set to false when it should have been set to false. Don't freak out about that like I did for some reason. It's supposed to be set to false. Also, I did what I said I was going to do in our choose option. I just made what used to be at the end of our click to continue here. I just made it part of our choose option, choose option, and now our click to continue just chooses the option if we are done typing and we only have one option. So that's good. Also, we need to do some stuff. I meant to do it at the end of the last video, but I was really flustered and I totally forgot. But if we were to hit play right now, and we start and we go to auto mode, and then we go to our history, you'll notice that auto mode still is going because, well, it's still active. So let's fix that. We'll go to our menu when we do our show menu widget, because this is how we always show our menu. We are going to set we are going to get our dialog widget and set the skip mode active and set the auto mode active to be false for both of these. Make sure you do this. Here we go. If we play now and go to auto mode and right click, nothing happens. Great. There is one more issue. If we go to start and auto mode, and if we were to click right now, it would sort of finish typing, but then it sort of activates weird. What we would want to happen instead is to just stop our auto and skip mode when we click on any click to continue. So let's do that over here in the click to continue. If the player name input is visible, false. Okay, so we want it to be after this false. Move these things over and just set our auto mode active, set this to be false, and set the skip mode to be false. Sorry, off the break this link off the false, and plug it in like we normally would. I think that should take care of all of our auto and skip mode issues. Hopefully I don't run into any more before the next video, and if I do, I'll hopefully find a fix for it, and I'll see you then.